Have you ever wanted to be a part owner of a big company like Apple or Amazon? Well, you can. The stock market is like a giant shop where pieces of these companies called stocks are bought and sold. Think of it like buying a slice of your favorite pizza, but instead of pizza, you're buying a tiny piece of a company. And just like pizza slices can be different sizes, stocks can be different prices depending on how well the company is doing. The stock market is important because it allows everyday people to invest in companies and share in their success. When you buy stock, you're not just buying a piece of paper, you're investing in the future of that company. So buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the exciting world of Wall Street and learn how you can start growing your wealth. Let's talk about the language of the stock market. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. A stock and a share are basically the same thing. They represent a small piece of ownership in a company. When you buy shares of stock, you become a shareholder, meaning you own a tiny part of that company. And guess what? Companies like to share their profits with their shareholders through something called dividends. It's like getting a bonus just for being a part owner. Now let's talk about bonds. Bonds are a little different from stocks. They're like loans that you give to a company or the government. Instead of becoming a part owner, you become a lender. They promise to pay you back with interest. It's important to understand the difference between stocks and bonds because they have different levels of risk and potential reward. But don't worry, we'll dive into that more later. The stock market has been around for centuries. It all started back in the 1600s with the Dutch East India Company, one of the first companies to issue stocks. People could buy shares of the company, and if the company did well, they would profit. Over time, stock exchanges popped up all over the world, like the New York Stock Exchange, which is one of the most famous ones today. These exchanges act like marketplaces where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. Today, the stock market is more accessible than ever before thanks to technology. Now, anyone with a computer or smartphone can buy and sell stocks with just a few clicks. Section 4. Buying and selling. Your first foray into finance. Ready to jump into the world of investing? The first step is to open a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank account specifically for buying and selling stocks. There are many online brokerage platforms available like Robinhood, e*Trade and TD Ameritrade that make it super easy to get started. Once you have an account, you can start browsing for stocks to buy. You can search for companies you know and love, or you can explore different industries that interest you. When you're ready to buy, you simply enter the number of shares you want and place your order. Remember, investing in the stock market does come with risks. Stock prices can go up and down, so it's important to invest wisely and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 5. Knowledge is power. Research before you invest. Before you hit that buy button, it's crucial to do your research. Don't just buy a stock because everyone else is talking about it. Take the time to understand the company, its financials, and its future prospects. Look at their track record, read news articles, and maybe even check out their competitors. The more you know about a company, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, calculated decisions and staying the course, even when the market gets bumpy. Section 6. Diving in online platforms for the new investor. The internet has made investing accessible to everyone. There are so many online platforms designed specifically for beginners like Robinhood, Acorns and Stash. These platforms offer educational resources, user-friendly interfaces, and even fractional shares, which allow you to buy small pieces of expensive stocks. They're a great way to dip your toes into the world of investing without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the most important step is to just start. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain more knowledge and experience. Section 7. Your journey begins. A lifetime of financial growth. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards taking control of your financial future. Remember, investing in the stock market is a journey, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Keep educating yourself, stay informed about the market, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. There are countless resources available to help you along the way. The world of finance can seem daunting at first, but with a little knowledge and a lot of heart, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. So go out there, embrace the world of investing and watch your wealth grow.